Oh, yes. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my podcast. Welcome back to my YouTube page. I've got amazing news. I got great news to the people of Zimbabwe, Zimbabwean citizens, Zimbabwean people, even by extension to Africans who are going to visit Zimbabwe, even to Americans, Asians, Europeans who by chance and by good convenience, they're going to come and visit this country of Zimbabwe, this Republic of Zimbabwe, coming to Zimbabwe. So, this is the news. Amazing set of news. Right. When you enter at Robert Mugabe International Airport, or when, yes, even the other airport in Bulawayo, Joshua Ngomo International Airport, or Victoria Falls Airport, these airports that we have in Zimbabwe, there's a development that has happened, whereby they are using online systems, computer systems, or automated systems. Back in the days, back in the years, all this long time, they used to do everything physical, using a physical set of documents. Everything was manual. All the systems were manual based, using documents to pass through every airport. Harare Airport by the name Robert Mugabe International Airport. You talk of Bulawayo Airport by the name Joshua Ngomo International Airport, and the other one in Victoria Falls, Victoria Falls Airport. So now this is the development that has been done by the government of Zimbabwe, of course, by the president of the country, by the top leader of the country, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, whereby everything is now online, whereby you use online systems, automated systems, computerized systems, electronic visa or e-visa, or maybe e-gate system. They call it e-gate systems. They call it online visa. So there's no need now to use physical documents. There's no need to use all these manual systems, all these manual things. Everything is now online. Online visa, e-gate system. You talk about electronic visa. When you pass through your way at Harare Airport, Robert Mugabe International Airport, or Bulawayo Airport, Joshua Ngomo International Airport, or Victoria Falls Airport. So this is the development by the government of Zimbabwe, by the president and his government in Zimbabwe, in the nation of Zimbabwe. So are you a traveler, international traveler, local traveler? You like traveling, you like moving around, you like traveling around the countries to enjoy your time, to enjoy your life by traveling. So I hope yeah, you're gonna get excited by this news. You'll be happy by hearing me talk or announce this development that was done just a few days ago. A few days ago in Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe. Electronic visa is not being used, e-visa or e-gate systems. So this whole process is under what is called a online border management system, online border management system that was coined or developed, established by the government of Zimbabwe, by the president of Zimbabwe, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa. So this whole process, when you go to the Harare Airport, Bulawayo Airport, or Victoria Falls Airport, when you pass through, every processing that's gonna be done on you will only take under 22 seconds. Will only take under 22 seconds, and you are done. So no need for all those long queues, waiting time, all those terrible lines, terrible queues, or horrible lines, horrible queues. Now, something of that nature has disappeared because of this online system or computerized system or this automated system. When you pass through as a traveler, local traveler or international traveler, you're going to be helped just under 22 seconds. You're going to be assisted by the immigration officers, immigration officials, immigration people at Harare Airport, Bulawayo Airport, Victoria Falls Airport under 22 seconds. So there are benefits of this new system. There are advantages, of course, of this new system. The waiting time, the queue times, all those lines, queues are now a thing of the past, are now a thing of history, are now gone into history. You understand? And the whole system, this current one, developed by the government of Zimbabwe, is very seamless, very fast, very efficient, very effective. You will not see any queue again, any line, or those waiting time. You spend a lot of time waiting, spend a lot of time on the queue, on the line, until you get bored, until you feel worried or stressed or frustrated. All those things are now a thing of the past because of the new system: online visa, online border management system, electronic visa, e-gate system, under this brand new program coined, developed by the government of Zimbabwe, President of Zimbabwe, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, by the name Online Border Management System. Personally speaking, I'm happy because of this development. I'm very excited. Very soon I have to travel. Very soon I have to pack my bags and travel to whatever country that I deem fit, that I do like, that I do desire in my heart, and enjoy this online system, enjoy this automated system, enjoy this computerized system. So no more queues, no more worries, no more crying, no more lamenting, no more complaining, no more wasting time. All those travel times have been reduced by a greater percentage. So as you go at Harare International Airport, Bulawayo International Airport, Victoria Falls Airport, you're gonna be assisted, gonna be held under 22 seconds. That the effectiveness, that the efficiency, that the vibrance of this new system under 22 seconds, and you pass through, you're done. Then you continue with your flight, you carry on with your journey, or you commence your journey to whatever country, town, city that you are going. I'm done talking on this one. What are your comments on this new system developed by the government of Zimbabwe, developed by the president of Zimbabwe, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa? Online system, automated system, computerized system, no more physical documents, no more this or that, like the way I've explained, like the way I've described. Type, write your comments in the comments box, comment section. I'm done talking. Peace out. Sure.